put your men.
I'm gonna send it to Facebook.
Hey, training, and we all went outside. Nick is so wet, right?
Oh, you're videotaping this?
This is what we do in astronomy. We vlog. Woo! Antonio got soaked.
So,
He brought a towel.
yeah, I totally knew it was gonna rain today.
Oh, I see how
Hey, he got soaked too.
Second, I hope you don't get I hope he's not getting I hope
Take that back.
No.
You drying yourself off with toilet paper?
Do I have white toilet paper in my hair?
No. Why are you videotaping? So that way if there was, I could embarrass you.
Yeah.